another video of April's Kitchen Bakes. Today we are going to be learning how to make fondant roses. So cute. I just made this one now, right before this video started, so I could have a demo to show you guys. And aren't they just the cutest little roses ever? We are going to be making small ones today. All you need for this tutorial is some wax paper, which you can get anywhere. You need your hands, and you need some fondant. I have here some really pale pink fondant. If you do have like tools like this, I'm sorry about the shadows in the back. I am working on my lighting, so please bear with me. If you have these tools like this, they will help with the rounding of the petals. If not, do not stress, you do not need them. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I have my fondant here in front of me, and I am going to break off about, say, 12 to 15 even pieces of fondant that's a bit big. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one and put it in the palm of my hand, just like that, and I'm going to roll it into a nice little ball, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to place it on my other sheet. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your first ball, and you are going to fold your wax paper over it just like that, and make sure it's in the middle, and you're going to press down with your thumb, and then you're going to take your index finger and go around so the edges are flat. If you do have this tool, it is a big hand, and you can just take it edges of your petal. I don't know if you guys can hear someone screaming in the background, but he is annoying. And you're just going to take it like that, open it up, hopefully it won't break. So you're going to take it like that, and you're going to fold it over very nicely, very carefully, so you get your first layer of your rose. The next thing I'm going to do is start with the petals. So I'm going to take my second ball, and I'm going to fold it over and do the same thing we did the first time with my thumb. And then I'm going to take my index finger and I'm going to push so it gets nice and flat. I'm going to open up, peel it off. Then I'm going to put it on the one side I put it on the first side, you can see, and I've just, with my index finger like this, I've just out so it looks more realistic. Next petal, take it, flatten it down, index finger, just like that. You're going to take it and put it on the opposite end to where you put the last petal that you put on. So just like that, and then I'm gonna take it again with my index finger and just go out like that. Okay, there's our rose starting to form, guys. And there we have 2 finished roses. So this is what your roses are gonna look like. Guys, this is so simple and so easy, and you did it with me. I used nothing besides my hand, wax paper, and fondant. And please guys, just know that practice makes perfect. You're not gonna get it perfect on the first try, which is completely okay. I'm still a bit rusty when it comes to this tutorial. I get lazy and I rather just use the pedal shapers, and because it really is a lot easier to use them. And I'm sorry for talking so much about this. I'm gonna love and leave you guys now. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know what you guys want to see from me in the future, what tutorials you'd like to see, what you'd like me to do. And I just want to remind you, all you need for this tutorial is wax paper, fondant, and your hand, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys liked it. So please like, share, and subscribe. It'll make me so happy. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.